Alright, this is a 1991 Subaru Loyale, and this is what a bad lifter sounds like. Or a failing lifter, rather. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it bleeds down and it collapses. As the engine warms up, it gets quieter. But when it's cold, it's incredibly loud. I just got home from school in it. It's that warm, so it's below the bottom line when it's cold, obviously. But it comes and goes. Still fires right up. No performance issues. So, needs some Lucas oil treatment or something like that in order to quiet it down, because I don't really feel like pulling the engine and putting set of lifters in, you know, not worth it.